Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your time zone manually. All you need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and right click on your clock. And you now need to click on adjust date/time. If you don't have the clock in your bottom right hand corner, don't worry, because we can go down to the bottom left hand corner of our screen and type in time. And you now need to click on change the date and time. Once you are on this window, you now need to click on this button here where it says on underneath set the time zone automatically. And we now have a few options. If we go down to the next option, we have our time zone. And as you can see, mine is currently on London because I am in the UK. If you just click on this drop down menu, you have a massive list of options here where you can choose your time zone. Once you have selected your time zone, you can now adjust the daylight saving time option if you want it on or off. And once you have done all that, we can now close down our settings, and that is all done. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.